Hi, and welcome back to another review. Today we have another CN Fans haul. For those of you who don't know what CN Fans is, it's like a portal where you're able to purchase replica high brand or high street brand items at a fraction of the price. In the description of this video, I do have a link to CN Fans. It's an affiliate link, so if you sign up, then it does help me out. It gives me some money back into my account, which enables me to continue buying these items. Everything in this box was actually free, and the reason it was free was because I've had enough affiliate balance to be able to buy them. I just had to pay for the postage. So it's a thank you to everyone who watches my videos that I was able to get this parcel. I think there's 4 items in total actually in here. So it does come in a box. They've obviously put their Royal Mail only 1 parcel in this box, but I think there's 4 items. I'm not going to flip it all the way around because it has got my address details on there. But I say, all the information for CN Fans in the description of this video, an affiliate link and a spreadsheet of some really good items. So what I'll do now is I'll get this box open and I'll show you the items that are in here. Okay, so we've now got the box open and we'll take the first item out. And as always, we will take an in-depth look at the product. This is a Ralph Lauren polo. So it's a 2XL. I have gone a little bit bigger on this one, only because the last one that I got did slightly shrink a little bit when I put it in the wash. Not that I'm getting bigger, it was definitely shrunk in the wash. So let's see what this one's like. We'll do a full front, back and inside look at this item. Okay, we've now got it out of the bag, and here is our Ralph Lauren hoodie. I will show you the hood when I flip it around on the reverse side. Oh, I've got a tag caught there. So we've got a couple of these longer pull tags for the hood. Need to sort that out because we've got one that's quite a bit shorter than the other. The material feels like a nice woolly sort of feel to it actually. Feels quite nice. The zipper, it's just a plain zip. And we do have a Polo Ralph Lauren tag, 2XL. Oh, we've got a Polo Ralph Lauren there as well. And we've got the graphic there, that's been embroidered into the material. No other graphics or anything on the sleeve. Standard cuff there, and we have a pocket on one side and a pocket on the other side as well. So the zip will go up and down, and the join at the bottom of the zip slightly off onto one side, but nothing too bad in all honesty. That's the front of this hoodie that we've got from CN Fans. Let's look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're onto the reverse side now, and here's our hood. It's quite a nice size hood to be fair. As I mentioned, this is from CN Fans. For those of you who've not used CN Fans, it's like an agent buying service. So you have to go on some other websites, you find the products that you want, you add them to your basket, and then an agent will go off and buy the items on your behalf. What they then do is, once they've got them in, they take them out, they take photos of them, and they then send them over to you. You can confirm if you're happy with it. If you're happy with it, you then purchase it. They give you the actual shipping costs. You pay for that, and then the items arrive usually in about 10 days to be fair, so it's pretty good. I've only ever had to say no to one item before, and that was a pair of trainers. I ordered the wrong size. But yeah, so far this one looks good. I've got all the information for CN Fans in the description of this video. Okay, being a jacket, what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to flip it inside out fully and have a proper look at it. I've just undone the zip to show you the inside, and this has got like a fleecy sort of texture actually inside, which is really quite nice. So I imagine that on a cold day, as the UK is now just starting to get a little bit sunnier, on a cold day though, this is going to be really nice. At the top here we have a Polo Ralph Lauren with a 2XL made in China tag. Stitching on the zip looks all quite nice and tidy actually. Notice a loose thread somewhere, but nothing I don't think too bad. Here's the back of the graphic here. and there is some of that little card in there. So as with the football shirts, what I would recommend is putting some lukewarm water on that, and that will come off. Although in all honesty, on a jacket like this, I wouldn't worry too much about it. No one's going to really notice that, and on the outside it looks absolutely fine. So yeah, I'd probably leave it on there. It'll more likely come off in due course anyway. But that's the inside of this jacket. Really, really nice. I can't believe how nice this feels. Very luxurious jacket, I've got to say. But yeah, that's the inside of this Ralph Lauren jacket. And there we have it. There is our Ralph Lauren jacket from cnfans.com. I have tried this on now, and yeah, it fits perfectly, to be fair. 2XL, it does have a little bit of space in there, but that's what I wanted. I wanted something that if it does wear, or I wash it or whatever, it doesn't shrink. Like the other one didn't shrink too bad, it just did seem to get a little bit smaller. So I'm happy with this one though. I do prefer things being slightly baggier on myself anyway. So all in all, yeah, really, really happy with this one. The item was purchased from cnfans.com. cnfans is a agent buying service where you find products on a spreadsheet, or you can do some Googling, to be fair, for the items. You then purchase them from the cnfans website, and an agent will go off and do the ordering for you. They go to the factories, they're the ones that do the ordering, they take you photos of them, you can then confirm if you're happy or you're not happy. If you are happy, they then ship them out to you. You only ever pay the exact weight of the parcel. It's really, really good service. I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video for CN Fans. If you sign up using that, you will then start saving extra money. You get some coupons as well, and it helps me out as well. What I mean by helping me out is I then get a referral on it, and it then enables me to continue buying these sort of products. So I'm always trying to be transparent. All of these ones now that I've got were effectively free. I just had to pay for the shipping. The reason that I've managed to do that was because people have signed up using my referral link, and it's enabled me to then buy 4 items for free. I've then just paid about £15, I think, for the postage. So really can't grumble on that. So a thank you to the people that do watch these videos and who have subscribed to CN Fans and made purchases, because it's helped me out. It helps me continue to buy so I can continue to do these sort of videos. But I hope you have enjoyed this one. I will say I will leave all the information to CN Fans in the description of this video. Take a look at it. Any questions or anything, ask away. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But all in all, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.